mask induced pimples. Hi everyone, just today I decided to try cooking MISUA with the meatballs. So I have not been cooking for a long time since COVID started the duty. I need just to rest if I'm off days, so good luck for me. I prepared here some garlic and onion. I don't have much here. I just got this from the grocery downstairs. It's meatballs. Oh, where's my MISUA? Let's see, MISUA meatballs. So this meatballs, I'm cooking it now, frying it. So there you are. I'm already frying the meatballs beforehand. So magic, we have already the fried meatballs, and then we'll start cooking it with the MISUA. So let's go galore. So here we will have the same cooking pan. Here we will have the same cooking pan. I think I'll just remove some of the sunog part, the burnt part. So there you are. We put our onion first on the front side and just stir it there. And then on the other side, of course, I'm cooking it this way as always. Anyway, I only cook like once in 3 months, once a week. I will cook. So this thing, if I make sense that they're okay, then we just mix it together. Isn't it great? So I think this cooking video is for those who really don't cook and only knows how to chop this garlic onion and mix it together and fry it. Okay, so now they're almost cooked. They're cooked. So let's pour in our meatballs. Yeah. Should I put on salt? Later. Oh no, I think we need to put some pepper. But we'll just mix it forward. Join them together. Join them together forever. I don't know how it tastes. Dissipate. And should we put water? Wait a minute. So now we're putting on the special guest, the water, of course, and let it like simmer for quite a while before we incorporate our star MISUA. So guys, we put already our MISUA here. So we'll just wait for about 2 minutes, then we are done. Of course, it's best to put some veggies there. The best one is celery, patola, could be spinach or merengue or malunggay. I don't have any of those. I only have garlic and onion and the meatballs and the MISUA. So that's it. Hope you like it, guys. Let's see how it tastes afterwards. This is dedicated for those who do not know how to cook. So guys, MISUA was done, and I top it over the rice. Let's see and taste. Can you see it's blazing hot? So let's see how it will taste. Hopefully. I put too much pepper on it. I think I need to wait for my husband to fix my MISUA. I think this is getting better. I mean, the more I eat it, the more I eat it, the more it tastes better. So that's it. I think this MISUA recipe without anything, only garlic and onion, just eat it slowly because it gets better after like how many bites? Wow. I can cook now. Well, enjoy guys and start cooking.